Let's stack the deck. This morning, Asia is largely irrelevant to our markets. You have China up 1.5%, Japan up 1%, but really the story is Europe. And it's the story for a lack of follow-through after our big pop on our GDP numbers yesterday. Europe is generally trading off. You have the UK up slightly on some good news there out of their residential real estate, which turned positive for the first time in 19 months. Even though the number was light, people took that as a positive sign. 2 upgrades to Lloyd's of London, and their financials popped, and they're trading up slightly. However, it's a different story over in Germany and France. France is down slightly, but Germany's the story in the markets today. It's down a little over 0.5% on worse than expected retail sales. The retail sales came in negative, and they were expecting positive. Wasn't a good sign. They're down on fairly heavy volume. It's above their trending moving average. So, again, we do not see a confirmation of our move yesterday. I think it's all part of the corrective phase. We've had a big bull run in these markets, and we're in a bit of a corrective phase here. So that's really what's taking place in Europe today, and it'll probably carry over a bit in ours. You're seeing it reflected a little bit in our futures. We're both off about 4 points pre-market. Our economic calendar today at 7:30, you have the personal income and spending. Significant number. The core PCE, which is a subset of that number, that used to be closely watched for signs of inflation by Greenspan. He used to refer to it. However, it really doesn't take on the importance anymore since we're no longer worried about inflation. Even if it showed inflationary signs, I don't think we'd be too worried about it because some people are looking for some inflation to bail us out of all this debt. However, it came in and showed some deflationary signs. That could rattle the markets. Right now, the bonds are up, 14 ticks or so. And they're snapping back from yesterday's over-point sell with their inverse correlation. The dollar is trading about flat right now. It's up just a little bit as I'm looking, but it came out. It's been down and up overnight, and right now it's trading up just a little bit, almost flat. Further on the economics calendar, you have the Q3 CI at 7:30, 8:45. You have Chicago PMI. That's a big number today. The Purchasing Managers Index looking at 49. If that turns above 50 and goes positive, that means expansion in the Chicago area. That would be a good number for the bulls, and that might actually help our market rally just a bit. 9 o'clock, you have Michigan Final. Ignore that one completely. But you also have Milwaukee Napalm. Always good if Chicago gives you a directional move with a strong move either way to look for Milwaukee to either, you can look at it to confirm or give you some skepticism about the number. The two are should be closely related. Anyway, that's about it. Again, I think we're in a corrective phase currently from the 1100 mark. We did see volatility come in quite a bit. We saw a nice pop yesterday, although we're seeing a lack of follow-through today. I don't think the corrective phase will fully have bottomed. We got the pop off the 1040, just like I told you we would. Now I think we'll be in the corrective phase I don't think that we'll bottom until you see S&P 993, 994 will probably be a good place where you'll see a bottoming phase there. Anyway, good luck, be careful, and happy trading.